is Christian Koch. I'm a certified financial planner professional. I'm here attending the Harvard Business School Club of Atlanta opening party. Our guest this evening is Don Etheridge. He's the Director of Gift Planning at Harvard Business School. We'll be talking about estate planning in 2012 and beyond. Don?
I'm really pleased to be here, and what our intent tonight is to really make people aware of the fact that we have a window of opportunity from now until December 31 with some certainty as to what the tax law is with respect to estate and gift tax laws, and that it's an opportunity to do some planning, because once we get beyond December 31, we really do not know with any certainty whatsoever what we will have as far as estate and gift tax. We know what will be a default, but we don't know what the opportunities otherwise might be. And since it is the most favorable that we've had in a very long time in the last 2 years, we are really encouraging people, even if they've done their estate planning, to look at it. So we'll do a couple of case studies and try to get into some of the planning opportunities that people ought to be thinking about.
Tell us specifically about the details we're going to be talking about tonight.
Well, one of the emphasis with the certainty of the estate tax law that we now have in a gift tax is the fact that we have a $5 million exemption per person. That exemption is portable. In other words, you can combine the two exemptions of a husband and wife, so in effect a couple, a married couple, has $10 million of an exemption, and the rate is a flat rate of 35%, and that's true for all transfers. That's transfers, generation skipping, as well as gift and estate. So that is what we know as the certainty. It's what we don't know and concerns us, that we're stressing that people need to take advantage of this opportunity.
Right. Tell us about the three scenarios, the base case of going from 5 to 1 million and then
right. If absolutely nothing happens, in other words, if Congress does not take any action, and in the discussions about the financial cliff, that is a possibility, a real possibility, then what we would see is the $5 million exemption drop all the way down to $1 million. We'd lose $4 million. There's some question about whether portability would then stay in there, but a couple would go from $10 million all the way down to $2 million in terms of the exemption levels.
Right.
The rates would then go from 35% to 55%. So it really is a draconian measure if nothing happens. In other words, if Congress takes no action whatsoever. The two proposals, the two different presidential candidates' proposals, President Obama has indicated that he would roll back to where we were in 2009, which means, again, decreasing the exemption from 5 but down to 3.5 million, and bumping the rate from 35% to 45%, and dropping the gift exemption back down to $1 million. So we wouldn't be able to do the flexibility of some of the gift opportunities that we now have.
Right.
Governor Romney's proposal is simply to eliminate the estate tax, but of course what the president proposes and what Congress actually does can be two different things.